Welcome, time for some art fun. Today we have a very special unboxing that is fountain pen related, so stick around. Some of you may know that I recently started my own business, my own mediation practice, where I work all alone to help families settle their divorces and their pre, post, whatever they need to do. So that's actually the business that I started. Okay, I feel like that I kind of ruined the point of this tab to open and lift quickly. Sorry about that. It doesn't feel very quick. Okay, let's see. That might do it. As part of that, I got myself a present. So this is sort of just like a starting a new business present to myself that I got. I've had my eye on this thing for a really long time. It is art adjacent. It is certainly a fountain pen thing. Oh my gosh. What am I missing? What am I missing? Why do I feel so incompetent when I open things? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna speed through this. I'm gonna speed this. Speed it. Okay. Sheesh. Okay. So I got myself a present. I've had my eye on this for a long time. It's very popular in the fountain pen community. And if you saw my somewhat-ish recent video about getting this absolutely gorgeous deep red Kaweco Allsport in aluminum, this gorgeous pen, it just really got me thinking about my pen storage because I just had an cheap old situation and I wanted something special. So I got myself something very special and I'm excited to share it with you. This is a Galen leather pen case in this box. I actually don't know what this is, but I'm very excited about it. This is a family-run company out of Turkey, and they just make beautiful, beautiful work. Oh my gosh. Okay, so they sent me Turkish coffee, instant coffee. I'm actually very excited about that. I love coffee, so how cute is that? Oh my gosh, this is so special. I know I really went out of control getting myself this because there's a reason I didn't get it just on a whim. It is very expensive. Oh my gosh, is this like... This looks handwritten, but maybe it's just printed really well. Okay, no, I think some of this is handwritten. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got a 10% off coupon as a thank you. I got this ocean refreshing towel. I got an Earl Grey tea. Earl Grey is actually one of my favorite flavors for tea. I got, oh my gosh. This is so nice. Okay, so I got this adorable postcard. How cute is this? It's very adorable. And it says, "Shine like the universe is you, Rumi." And this is definitely, someone wrote this in a beautiful purple ink with a fountain pen. Probably a stub, if I'm correct. That looks like a 1.1 stub nib, maybe. So that's beautiful. And then I have this card, another card, but this has to be printed. It says "Our Story," but they printed it in a way that it looks like a shading ink, you know? Like, especially in this contact, galenleather.com. It looks like a shading ink. So it says, "We're grateful for you shopping with our family business. All Galen Leather branded products are produced in Istanbul. Our products are handcrafted using materials such as leather, wood, and brass. Since we use natural materials and produce all of our items by hand, there may be color variations, and our products may sometimes differ slightly from the photographs on the site." I actually love that, and they do go on to say that's what makes our products unique. But yes, I know. That's why I was interested in it, because I knew no one product from them would be exactly like any other. This is so cool just to have this little pencil case. This little baby pencil case is such a great thing, so I love this. But that's all this is. Just a nice little empty case now that all this fun stuff came in. So, probably put this to the side. Okay. Oh, I love the end of this. It says, "We're thankful to you for being with us on our Galen journey, which started with a dream and continues with your support. Wishing you good health, the Galen team." And then on the other side is their story, our story, how it's a family-run company in Istanbul, Turkey, founded in 2012. I cannot believe they actually were only founded in 2012. I know that was 10 years ago as I sit here making this video, but this is a very well-known brand for people who love fountain pens. So let me give you a peek at this. Make sure you're in frame. You are. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, it already feels amazing. I love this box. Ugh. The attention to detail is what gets me. So it has this beautiful, branded little wrapper. It has this little sticker, established to supply all nations. Super cute. With a little fountain pen and their date of founding in 2012. This is the green Crazy Horse leather. This is the green fountain pen case, and it should have, yes, velvet lining, and then it should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each side. So it has velvet lining, the flaps are velvet, the interior is velvet, everything is hand stitched. This just feels so good. I don't know how to describe to you how good it feels. So I did want to put my Kaweco collection in here. And then let me see what kind of color scheme I want to do. Let's see, maybe the orange. Okay, and then maybe the green. I actually have my dark green in my travel pencil case right now. I'm using it to sketch. Okay, I might be able to fit all of my non-currently inked with sketching ink ones on this side. Okay, oh my gosh. So there's my entire Kaweco collection except for a dark green that really matches this case perfectly. That has permanent black ink in it right now. So there's one side full. Now, as you can probably tell, this can absolutely fit full-size pens, and I'm sure is intended to fit full-size pens. This is an extra long pen. I wonder if this will fit. Let's see. This one does, it fits, but it kind of sticks it out. So probably, this is a pretty long pen, but this is an extra long pen, like a freakishly long pen. This is another sort of normal sized pen. Yeah, fits beautifully. So I'm going to decide what pens I want to put on this side, but let me see. I'll start with this little mini. This is a little, this one right here is a Moonman mini in green swirl, and I put the Pilot Iroshizuku Yamabudo in here that I had gotten in a little tester from my friend Stephanie Davis here on YouTube. So maybe I'll put this one in here, just so all my minis are in one. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute just on its own in there. So adorable. So let's see how it closes. Look at all that detail. Oh, it's blowing out the color. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, so let's close it up. Oh yeah, it's really easy to close. It wants to close, even with all those pens inside. It's so little and cute. It's so funny that with how little this seems, it is like, here's that little pencil case. It's bigger than this pen case. And I would have looked at this pencil case and thought, geesh, I hope, you know, full-size pens can fit in there. But this has no problem with 10 full-size pens. It's made for that. So that, my friends, is my green Galen Leather Crazy Horse 10 pen slot fountain pen case that I got for myself as a starting my own business present to me, and man, do I love it. It is beautiful. If anyone has any vegan recommendations that are somewhat like this, because this is leather, this is real leather, and I looked and looked for a vegan alternative to this and could not find one, I'd love to be able to recommend that to you, because I know a lot of you are vegan and look for vegan art supplies, and I'd love to have something to send you to if leather is not your thing. But if it is, this is obviously a very wonderful family-run company, and they really take a lot of care in how they put together what you are getting. So let me just give you some more close-ups. So pretty. I love this color. I'm going to put some pictures on for you of what this looked like in the marketing materials so you know what the picture looked like versus what you actually get. But I think it is very true to the pictures. There's my little Kaweco collection, so cute. And this will have more pens in there. I've got to decide. I'm sure I'm going to put my Platinum 3776 in here because that's my fanciest pen that I own. And then we'll see what else makes it in this one. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to check that you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would subscribe. Leave a like on the video, and if you would, leave me a comment with what you think of this little present to me. If you were getting a present to yourself, what would you get for yourself? Is there anything like this that you have had your eye on for so long and ever just decide to splurge and get it for yourself? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, remember, create something cute.